Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are gonna review the Samsung 10,000 mAh wireless battery pack. We will be giving away one of these power pack to you guys, so remember to stick to the end of the video to enter the giveaway. Back to the video. The battery pack is available in two different colors, pink and silver. The one I have with me is the silver one. In the box, you'll get the wireless battery pack, the user manual, and finally the USB-C charging cable. It charges with USB-C, so you'll only need to bring one cable when you're traveling to charge all your devices. First of all, the battery pack comes with a slim, ergonomic design. It feels good in the hand with a metallic finish. It is not a fingerprint magnet as opposed to Samsung's other glass smartphone. There is a single USB-A output port for your USB-A cable. It charges with a USB-C port on the side of the battery pack, so you only need to bring one cable when you're traveling to charge all your devices. There is a wireless charging pad on one side of the battery pack, so you get to charge your wireless charging enabled device just by putting it on there. It is capable to charge two devices, one wirelessly and another wired simultaneously. The wireless charging pad is covered with a rubbery pad so your phone will not slide off it more easily. Its Qi wireless charging is rated at 7.5W and the USB-A port is rated at 15W, are rated to Samsung Adaptive Fast Charging from 2015, which is equivalent to Qualcomm's Quick Charge 2.0. The wireless charging is rated to Samsung Fast Wireless Charging Standard. And now, to enter the giveaway, you guys just need to like this video, subscribe to our channel and comment down below. Thanks for watching and hope you guys have a great day.